integration from 0 to 2 bracket x dx. Bracket x dx means its greatest integer function. And we know greatest integer function changes its value at all integral points. That means we have to find the integration in between the interval 0 to 2, but bracket x changes its value at all integral points. Hence 1 will be a point here in between 0 to 2 where bracket x changes. That means we know bracket x is equals to 0 if x lies between 0 to 1, and bracket x will be equals to 1 if x lies between 1 to 2. So now this integration will be converted to two integration. One is 0 to 1 bracket x dx, another is 1 to 2 bracket x dx. So in between 0 to 1 bracket x is 0, so this integration will be 0, and in between 1 to 2 bracket x is 1, so this will be 1 to 2 dx, means x from 1 to 2, which is 2 minus 1 is 1. Now comes to question number 5. Integration of bracket of 2x from 0 to 2. We know greatest integer functions breaks at all integral points. So here we have to see for what values of x in between 0 to 2, 2x will give you integer. Okay, if you put x equals to half, then this will be 2 into half means 1, it will be integer. Again, if you put 1, 2 into 1 is 2, again we will get an integer. Next, if you put 3 by 2, so 2 into 3 by 2 is 3, again it will get an integer. That means in between 0 to 2, half, 1, 3 by 2 are the points where the bracket of 2x gives you integral values. That means this integration is now converted to 0 to half bracket of 2x dx plus half to 1 bracket of 2x dx plus 1 to 3 by 2 bracket of 2x dx plus 3 by 2 to 2 bracket of 2x dx. Now we have to put the values here. 0 to half 2x bracket, in between 0 to half, the 2x bracket of 2x will give you a number between 0 to 1. If you put x equals to half here, then it will be 1. So in between 0 to 1, the greatest integral value is always 0. That means this integration will be equals to 0. Now comes to bracket of 2x from half to 1. So if you put x equals to half, this will give you 1. If you put x equals to 1, this will give you 2. And we know in between 1 to 2, bracket function gives you the value 1. So here this integration will be half to 1, 1 dx. Similarly, the next one, 1 to 3 by 2 interval. If you put x is 1, you will get 2. If you put x is 3 by 2, you will get 3. In between 2 to 3, the bracket x, the greatest integral value will be 2. That means here it will be 1 to 3 by 2, 2 dx. Similar procedure for 3 by 2 to 2. If you put x is 3 by 2 here, you will get 3. If you put x is 2 here, you will get 4. In between 3 to 4, the greatest integral value will be 3. So this integration will be 3 by 2 to 2, 3 dx. Now just simply you can solve and you can get the result. It will be half plus 1 plus 3 by 2, the answer will be 3.